Alright guys, it's week 9 update. I just wanted to share an update. It's a little late. I should have done this while the sun was still up. But the plants are looking good. They're left outside tonight because the temperatures are not dropping below 60s. So just wanted to show you some updates of the plants, what they're looking like. They've got a lot of flowers forming, and actually a couple of them have peppers starting to grow already, believe it or not. We can really see a lot of flowers, just a lot of action, just a lot of growth, like up and down, through and through. They're getting taller, really ready to transplant them, but the temperatures will be dropping into the 40s, unfortunately. So you can see some different stuff happening in here, but yeah, some of these are actually, looks like peppers starting to form, but it's maybe they're flowers. But anyways, a lot of flowers definitely starting, and just a lot of growth. I've got them outside. This is what I've been doing, is just setting them on top of these grow bags during the day. But since the temperatures are not getting under 60s tonight, we're just going to leave them out and let them do their thing. You'll notice some of the branches fell off, or basically some of the leaves fell off. I did not pull them. They fell off on their own. They just naturally fell. But I've let everything grow naturally. You can see a lot of growth at all levels on most of it. This one's super crazy. A lot going on in here. I think part of the problem is that they're so close together in the grow tent. There's not a lot of space down here, and so they're not getting what they need. So the tops are really growing tall, and then under here is getting a little suffocated, because in the grow tent, when I've got all this packed tight, like as you can see, these are a bunch of plants. There's no room under here. They're still growing, and just so you know, the labels are wrong. These are just reused cups. But yeah, this is our week 9 update. Like I said, a lot of flowers, getting taller. Been out all day in the sun today, to the point when I got home from church after eating lunch, they were droopy. They look like they're gonna die, of course, when they get like that. And you just give them some good nutrients and water, and they perk right back up. We never took them out the sun. Let them sit in that brutal sun, get used to it, and just get the nutrients they need. Anyway, sorry for the late update here, but this is week 9. Exactly 9 weeks from today is when these seeds first hit the soil. We will be up potting soon. You can kind of see our layout here. Just waiting for these nighttime temps to consistently stay in the 50s. But yeah, this is the layout that I kind of concocted last year. We're going to stick with this. Once the temperatures get there, we will be up potting. All right, guys, later.